If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today, I wasn't going to film. I'm at a job that I'm doing, a couple different contractors inside this job with separate water and sewer coming from each side of the building. And an old cast iron line, I'm going to shoot the camera down and try and locate it to see where it comes out so we can decide which side we want to go in. Remove it and maybe get away with one connection to the street. While doing this, I'm filming. The cast iron's full of water still, and this building's been closed for, I'm going to say, 30 years. So the line is actually, the water's crystal clear. So I brought the camera in and filmed it. So check this out. It's pretty interesting. It's like going into the Titanic of plumbing. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. So we're trying to find out where the sewer comes out here without digging it up. There's no markouts out front. So that's what we're doing. I'm just going to locate the end. Now we're only 5 feet in, but as you see, it's, if I hurry, you can actually get the shots of what's going on. And probably been 30 years since this place has been open, but all the sewer lines are full of water. And I'm going to find the end and just locate it. So this makes it interesting. I wasn't going to film it, but I was like, this is really cool. So that's why I'm filming. The unknown. It's like the Titanic of sewers. They did some footing work and they dug it up. Wow. 20 feet in. Oh, what's this right here? Broken pipe, maybe? We're still moving along. Oh, baby. Oh, don't stop now. There we go. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. That's it. Oh. Here it comes. It looks really tired in there now. Oh, still moving. Uh-oh. Looks like we got some disturbed stuff here. Alright, this is by the elevator. Look. 32 feet in. This time I'm going to turn the sound on. I still didn't do no research on this yet. So we're going to turn this on. And also the sound. And like I said, we're 31 feet in. I got a bunch of steel here. I think that's what I got here. On the other side of that brick wall is a new elevator shaft. We just found out that they broke the sewer line up there and buried it. So we gotta get to the bottom of that. So let's pull this out of here. Let's pull it out, boys and girls. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Here it comes. That's it. And it looks like sewer came down here. And the boys who built the elevator shaft came around this. It came around this wall. It came around this wall. Went this way. Cut over. They eliminated it, and it's buried here. Old cast. Where the hell is it at? Oh, here it is. More cast. So what we're going to do, we're going to next this going out to the side street. We're going to go out this way and pick up our own sewer, because we got a weird situation here where we have two separate entities working in this building. Separate water and sewers coming for each entity. That's why we did a little extra research on the old sewer, hopefully finding where it went out, and of course we didn't find it, so they can hand dig that themselves and find it themselves, because we're not even going that way now. We're going to come out that wall, come across this driveway into this sewer line. Well, there you have it. Interesting with the camera. It was pretty cool, so that's why I filmed that stuff. But I think I realized, and you guys might know, and again, I bought this locator and I really haven't had time to really hone in on it and learn how to use it. But I couldn't get no readings on the locator. Now I'm thinking, is it because of the cast iron? If you know that answer, hit me up in the comments below. That'd be awesome knowledge. In the meantime, I gotta stop talking about it and just get the knowledge of how to use this thing. But I'm thinking either the steel, all the new steel that they put in, and or the steel cast iron. Can you use a locator in cast iron? Do I gotta open the book right now? I might have to. Until then, have a great one, and we'll see you at the next one.